Hello?
Hi, may I speak to Penny, please?
This is Penny?
Penny, how are you? My name is Casey Ryback. I'm calling from Yoga Spa.
Oh, hi, how are you?
I'm good. Listen, I'm assuming you know why I'm calling.
Not off the top of my head, no. What's going on?
Well, maybe from the top of your behind, because you were in here a couple days ago during one of our hot yoga classes, and you passed gas very loudly while doing a pose. Everybody heard it. It might be kind of awkward, but do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. That was actually really embarrassing. Is that what you're calling?
That is why I'm calling. I needed to talk about that. We've gotten a lot of complaints about you coming to our yoga studio and, for lack of a better word, farting nonstop when you're in yoga class. Is that true?
Farting nonstop? I don't think that's true at all. It happened one time. I'm sorry. What's the purpose of this call?
The purpose of this call is to let you know that you are being banned from our yoga studio due to your excessive flatulence.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry to break the news to you like that, but then again, you break wind whenever you want, so
Wow. Okay, that was completely unnecessary, and I don't deserve to be spoken to that way. You're literally telling me that I'm not allowed in class because I farted?
You are not allowed.
One time?
Yep.
This is borderline harassment. Like, I could call the Better Business Bureau for this.
Borderline harassment would be having to sit behind you in a yoga class, I think.
I passed gas. I'm sorry. I had a big lunch. Sue me, okay? I'm sorry. Is that what you want to hear?
I'm sorry doesn't take the fart back now, does it?
Oh, my God. This person, I cannot believe I'm watching somebody like this. Are you serious? Do not call my number back. You know what? Actually, I want to talk to your boss. Who the is your boss?
I can tell that the yoga's not working very well for you, is it?
Not with people like you.
Because
give me the phone to your boss.
Because you sound very angry, is what.
Yes, I'm angry.
Okay, ma'am. You know what? How about this? I want to make us both happy here.
You want to try to reason with me right now? Is that what you're doing?
I would like to come to some sort of a compromise.
What the are you talking about? There is no compromise. You just called me and attacked me. Passing gas.
What I'm compromising is a toot jar.
What?
A toot jar.
A toot jar?
Yes, you can keep coming to our yoga studio, but I'm going to set up a little toot jar. And every time you toot, you put $1 in the toot jar. And that should teach you not to fart in yoga class.
A toot jar. You want to give me a toot jar to put my toots in? Are you 3 years old, you moron?
No. I don't think you have it right. I don't want you to toot in the jar. Just every time you toot in yoga class, which you're known to do, we can agree on that, you put $1 in the jar, kind of to teach you.
I don't toot in yoga class. It's not something that I do. I'm not a tutor, okay? I don't do that. It happened one time. I farted one time. Passed gas one time. You pass gas every step you take, you mother. Give me my money back.
Penny.
Why the are you laughing right now? What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me is that this is actually Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the Morning. I'm moving 92.5 doing a phone tap on you. Your friend Amanda wanted to set you up. She said that you were in yoga class the other day and had an embarrassing moment and wanted me to mess with you.
Oh, my God. You know what? I'm going to toot in all y'all's faces.